Hey everyone, thanks for joining Bank of North Dakota with Ask Stacy and Amanda. We put out videos once a week on a variety of topics in regards to college planning and paying for college. So if you have any questions about today's topic or would like to suggest a topic in the future, go ahead and leave us a comment below or send us a message and we will address that in the future. Today we are at Linus Welding Training here in Fargo, and we're talking to Jess Johnson, who's the Director of Admissions here. So Jess, can you give us a little high-level overview about what Linus Welding Training is?
Yeah, absolutely. We are a private welding school here in Fargo, North Dakota and Bismarck, North Dakota.
And what kinds of programs can your students pursue here? What kinds of programs can they take?
Well, we have a wide variety. However, the ones that are eligible for Title IV funding or financial aid are 16-week Combination Welder 2 or our 12-week Combination Welder 1 programs.
And what's your typical student like?
Actually, we don't have a typical student. As long as you are over the age of 18, we can enroll anyone, male, female, doesn't matter. We have a wide variety of students that come through our classes, all the way from never being around welding to having experience too.
Oh, okay. That's really encouraging for a lot of students, I think, to hear.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what kinds of careers are students getting once they graduate from Linus and they leave school?
We typically see our graduates being placed in manufacturing, agricultural, production welding to structural, pipe welding. The sky's the limit.
Okay, so really a wide variety of different companies that I'm sure they can work for, and a variety of types of welding that they can do too.
Absolutely.
Cool. What is the enrollment process like here at Linus? It's pretty simple, isn't it?
Yeah, we like to make it as painless as possible.
Mm-hmm.
We work with all departments. It's very small. Try and help one-on-one with each student to get them through as quick as possible.
Great. Well, Jess, that is all that we have for today. So thank you for lending us your expertise on the admissions process here at Linus Welding Training. We will see you all in our next video. Bye.